Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to perform OTG tags on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, need USB. You will see USB is here. Insert in phone. So that's not possible. Need this connector and connect USB. And you will see. And C type in is insert in phone. You will see. After insert in phone, so you go to app library and click on my files app, and you will see USB showing here. Click on your USB and select folder and click on this three dot icon, and here showing you. After click on this three dot icon, and you will see here showing you mount. So click on unmount, go back to home screen. So that's how you can perform OTG tags on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.